Hi everyone, welcome to Birdwatch. My name is Miss Lorena and I'm going to be going over some cool facts about different birds through this PowerPoint. And at the end, we're going to have a little guessing games to see what you've learned about the birds that I've gone through. So there's a few that you can guess. So we're going to start off with the crow. And this bird is about 17.5 inches long. They are entirely black from bill, which the bill is the beak. So they're entirely black from their bill to their tail, except for its brown eyes, which you can see in the picture. And these are noisy birds, and they're often recognizable by their distinctive loud cry called a caw. And they eat almost anything from insects and small animals like frogs, and they also eat fruit and nuts. And these guys live in suburban neighborhoods and in parks, so you've probably seen them flying around up above you. And this is a goldfinch. As you can see, gold. It is a yellow bird, and they are 5 inches long. They have a cone-shaped beak. They're black and white. They have black and white wings, and some have a black patch on top of their head, like this one does in the picture. They mainly eat seeds, so some of their favorites are sunflower, thistle, and elm. And they usually live at the edges of forests and plains across North America, and they can also be found in backyards and parks. And this here is a woodpecker. They are about 16 to 19 inches long. And once they open up their wings, their wingspan is 26 to 30 inches wide. So this large black bird has white on each side of its neck. And as you can see, it has a red crest on top of its head there. And they use their beaks to peck and dig under bark. As you can see in the picture, that's what the woodpecker is doing there. And they try to find carpenter ants and beetle larvae and other insects. And they drum, so their drum sounds like a knocking sound. Let's see if you can hear this. Sounds like that. And they do it to attract mates. So they try to get partners. But they also do it to establish the boundaries of their territory. So they're kind of warning other males and telling them to like, go away, this is my spot. This here is a bluebird, as you can see from the color of its head and wings. They are about 7 inches long. They have a round belly, long wings, and short legs. It does have a black bill, which is short and straight. And they like to eat beetles, crickets, grasshoppers, and caterpillars. They also eat some fruits and berries. And these guys are skilled flyers with incredible vision. They can spot an insect on the ground from 60 feet away. And this is a bald eagle. Now their body length is about 34 to 43 inches. And once they open their wings, so you can see how large they are in the picture, they are 6 to 8 feet wide. And they live in the wild for up to 28 years. And they've been the national symbol of the United States since 1782. These guys can soar over 10,000 feet high, and they have great eyesight. So they can see a fish a mile away. A very cool fact about bald eagles is that they drop down, so they swoop down up to 100 miles an hour. It's about as fast as a car. It's pretty impressive. This here is a flamingo. They weigh up to about 8 pounds. They have bright pink feathers, stilt-like legs, as you can see they're skinny, and an S-shaped neck. Their color varies depending on what they eat. And some of their favorite foods are shrimp, snails, and algae. And their webbed feet allows them to run on water to gain speed before lifting up into the sky. All right, so now we're going to play the guessing game. Let's see if you can guess what bird this is. They are entirely black. They eat almost anything. And I'm going to give you a hint. So I'm going to make the noise they make. See if you can guess. Caw! Caw! Hopefully that helps you guess what the bird is. And if you guessed crow, you are correct. This next bird is black, white, and red. They eat carpenter ants and beetle larvae. And I'm also going to make a noise for this one. You can hear it. So what bird made a knocking type noise? Hopefully you guessed. Woodpecker. And this last bird that you can guess has pink feathers, an S-shaped neck, and eats shrimp and snails. So what bird had an S-shaped neck with pink feathers? Hopefully you guessed the flamingo. Nice pretty pink bird. Alright, so I hope you had a lot of fun. I hope you learned some cool new facts about birds. And I hope you had fun guessing the birds at the end. So, we'll see you next time.